Weddings are supposed to be magical, romantic, and maybe even a little stressful. But in some parts of the world, they are straight up bizarre. Welcome to Global Traditions, where we explore the weirdest, wildest, and most worthy wedding customs from around the world. Beating the groom's feet in South Korea. Before the groom can leave for his honeymoon, his friends and family tie his ankles together and beat his feet with fish or sticks. Why? It's supposed to make him stronger for marriage. Nothing says a romantic getaway like sore feet. In some parts of China, brides don't just cry on their wedding day. They start a month before. Every night for an hour, the bride cries. Then her mom joins. Then her grandmother. By the end of the month, the whole family is weeping. In Romania, kidnapping the bride is a staged event where groomsmen pretend to abduct her before the wedding. In Kyrgyzstan, however, an old tradition, now illegal but still practiced in some rural areas, involves real bride kidnapping, where a man abducts a woman to force her into marriage. Very wild. In some Indian cultures, if a woman is born under the wrong astrological sign, she is believed to bring bad luck to her future husband. To fix this, she must first marry a tree, and then the tree is cut down to remove that bad luck. Scottish couples have to endure the ultimate pre-wedding humiliation, being covered in rotten eggs, fish guts, mud, and anything else disgusting. This blackening ritual is meant to prepare them for the tough times in marriage. In the Tidong community of Indonesia, newlyweds are not allowed to use the bathroom for 3 days. After their wedding, they are watched over by family and given minimal food and drink. It is believed that breaking this rule brings bad luck, infidelity, or even early death. In the Maasai culture of Kenya, the father of the bride spits on her head and breast as a blessing before she leaves for her husband's home. A bit unconventional, but hey, different cultures have different ways of wishing good luck. Talk about spitting culture. In Mongolia, before getting married, couples must kill a chicken together and inspect its liver. If the liver is healthy, they can set a date. If not, they must keep trying until they get a good one. Love and poetry forever. In Greece, the Krivati ceremony is a very weird one. Before the wedding, the bride and groom's family and friends gather at the couple's future home. They decorate the marital bed with flowers, money to symbolize prosperity, and sometimes even a baby or a toddler is placed on the bed to bless the couple with fertility. Yep, they literally throw a whole child on the bed like a good luck charm. So, the next time you complain about overpriced wedding cakes or awkward in-laws, just remember, at least you didn't have to marry a tree or hold your pee for 3 days. If you love this weird ride through wedding history, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Which tradition shocked you the most? Until next time, keep it global and bye.